This is the package I just got on eBay. This is a package for my friend 2005 Honda Civic. So they took it to the dealer, and the dealer said they needed new struts. And after driving it, I believe them, and I did a test on them. Until when the right front strut is bad. They did give her an estimate, which I'm going to show you. So we're going to open up the package here and see what we got. Yeah, so I did get this on eBay, and I'm going to show you the purchase and the price on a snapshot. I'm going to edit in right now. Now, we're opening up this package of the item you just saw me purchase on eBay. You didn't even see me purchase it, but the item I purchased on eBay. So this is for 2005 Honda Civic, new struts, 120 bucks, both sides, because I'm no use replacing one side without the other. And this is what we got. This is a name brand. Well, not really, but it's good enough quality. You know, I don't know what they're gonna do with this car. They might end up selling this car, so. But these are good quality. They do come with a 1-year warranty, which is probably long enough that they'll have the car before they trade it in. So, alright. Complete strut assembly. Ooh. Yes, made in China. 1-year warranty. Let's see. Ready to install. Alright. So this is the Japanese car. Well, I guess we're putting the Chinese part on a Japanese car, but what are you gonna do, man? So, I did find a little damage here. I took this one out. So let's hope it's not the actual part that's damaged, just the box, which is probably the case. When they ship this stuff, you know, they're not the most delicate with it. Unless it says fragile on there, they're not going to be babying this stuff. So they usually throw it around. These are heavy duty parts though, so they should be able to take impacts. They can't take that impact, you know, what are they going to do on the car? So anyway, let's finish taking these out. Alright, we do have the strut here. Get a picture of it. We have the two lower sections. It's going to go to the control arm. Bam, bam. The two lower mounting sections, excuse me. Boot seems to be in place. I'm going to do a good thorough inspection of this stuff before I put it on the car. So I need to take some of the back. These are the mounting bolts that go on the top to the hood. So with this assembly, unlike the ones I had to do on my old Grand Prix, I'm not going to need a string compressor, and that's awesome. This is a bolt-on application, so this is a lot easier. Let's see. So, the day before, I'm going to go and I'm going to lubricate all these spots on her vehicle with some WD-40, so it'll be easy to break these bolts off. And we're going to do that tomorrow. So yeah, there we go. This is what I'm going to be installing on my friend's Honda Civic here. I think I got it scheduled for next week. It's going to be in the 40s. So I'm going to clip that video, and that'll be part 2 of this video of do-it-yourself. I'm going to try to show you I'm going to try to show you snapshots of the actual pricing they gave her from the dealership and the pricing it cost for my parts, and you know, any additional parts I may need. Hopefully none of these bolts will break while I'm taking them off. I shouldn't need any other parts except for WD-40. None of my sockets don't fit. I may need to go buy another socket. And that's about it. So there you go. And then we're going to do a comparison when I get hers off. You know, match them up, make sure they line up, and see the difference in quality.